Right, welcome everyone to GR's Hackathon 2021. My name is Ayushman Khurana and I'll be your host for this evening. And I'm the Vice President of the GR's Tech Club. Could we move on to the next slide, please? Okay, so this is a brief outline of what we're going to be covering today in this opening ceremony presentation. I'll be introducing you all to the GR's Tech Club 2021. I'll also be introducing the categories, the mentors, and the teacher in charge for the same. I'll be going over the code of conduct and the rules of procedure that you guys have to follow throughout the course of this 24-hour hackathon. I'll be detailing the schedule for a little bit, and then I'll also be revealing the theme of the hackathon, which you guys will have to follow when you present your hacks. Lastly, to close the opening ceremony, we would be having a speech by one of our presidents, Ayush. Next slide, please. To introduce you to the GR's Tech Club, I'll start off with the presidents. Ayush Garg and Shrikar Pisapati are co-presidents of the GR's Tech Club 2021. Myself, Ayushman Khurana, I'm the Vice President and the Head of Game Development. Ashur is the Secretary of GR's Tech Club 2021. Ishita and Akansha are the co-heads of Marketing. Soham and Ajay are the co-heads of Design. Arav and Adhav are the co-heads of Finance and Logistics. Siddharth and Bhargav are the co-heads of Event Management. Shaktivel is the Head of External Affairs. Ekansh and Yuv are the co-heads of Artificial Intelligence. Anirudh is the Head of Mobile App Development. Chris is the Head of Web Development. And Yuvraj is a guest mentor for the Blender category. And we all work under the aegis of the GR's IT department and the guidance of Ravneet ma'am. Next slide, please. All right, so all of you should be aware of what category you're a part of, but just to inform you about the mentors or the technical advisors and the supervising team, the classes 6, 7, 8 have two categories, MIT App Inventor and Scratch. For MIT App Inventor, technical advisor and mentors are Anirudh and Siddharth, while the supervising teacher is Anita ma'am. The other category is Scratch is advised and supervised by Ishita and Akansha, and the supervising teacher is Hannah ma'am. Classes 9th and 10th have Blender, which is supervised by Soham and our guest mentor Yuvraj, and the supervising teacher is Miss Sonal, while Python automation is supervised by Yuv Bindal and Ekansh Rathore, and the teacher in charge is Miss Moksha. Classes 11th and 12th have Unity and Web Extension. Unity is handled by myself and Shrikar, and the supervising teacher is Miss Sugna. And the final category for GIS Hackathon 2021 is Web Extension / Web App. This is headed by Ayush Garg and Chris, and the teacher in charge is Ms. Radha. So please do take a note of this. You will be reaching out to only your technical advisors for any help regarding your hack. Please do not reach out to any of the other organizing team members or mentors, as they would be unable to help you. I hope you all have taken a screenshot of the same, so I can move on to the next slide. Sure. Could we move on to the rules and regulations side? Yes, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to be detailing a few rules and regulations and the code of conduct that all hackers must follow throughout the course of this hackathon. Do know that you must strictly abide by these rules, and a failure of which can result in the disqualification of you and your team from the hackathon, and you guys would not receive a certificate. To start off, participants must know that plagiarism of any form is strictly not in order and can result in the disqualification of the team from consideration for any awards that are there. Participants must also adhere to any and all deadlines provided by the mentors, the tech club team, and the teacher in charges. Any form of crude language or disrespect towards the organizing committee and the teachers involved will be heavily penalized and strict action will be taken. Moreover, some hack specific rules are if you use any assets in your hack, they must either be self made or royalty free assets. Moreover, do also know that if the royalty free assets make up a majority of your hack, you must be giving them credit during your presentation. Pre-made projects or projects that you've worked on before cannot be used for your submission. Your hack must be entirely new and you must begin creating that hack in the course of this hackathon. Also, teams must only use the software specified according to the category. Please do take a screenshot of this to make sure that you guys can refer to it again and again. I hope everyone has taken a screenshot. Moving on to the schedule. Thank you. So the schedule is as follows. The opening ceremony is estimated to end around 5:30 p.m., after which we'll be starting the hack. The first 15-20 minutes, the mentors would be there in your Discord channels to guide you on what they expect from you throughout the course of this hackathon. And that's when your hacking will start. Between 8 and 8:30, we have a small surprise minigame planned for you guys. More details for this will be shared via Discord and the WhatsApp group. The day two for the hackathon will be starting around 10 a.m., which basically means that the mentors would most probably be online starting from 10 a.m. onwards. Do not think that you guys cannot work on your hacks after 8:30 p.m. on day one, you guys are allowed to work overnight as well. So day two, the mentors would be joining Discord channels around 10 a.m. Um, Between 12 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. would be a small mini game, and between 3 and 3:30 p.m. there's another mini game. Remember that your deadline for product submissions is around 6 p.m. So any delay in the product submission, or if you're not able to adhere to this deadline, would result in a disqualification of your team, or you will be heavily penalized. So please make sure that you guys are able to finish on time. I recommend finishing your hack around around 5 p.m. to make sure you can bug test it and then end up uploading it on DevPost. Please do take a screenshot of this schedule again, as you will be needing to refer to this again and again throughout the course of this hackathon. Okay, I hope everyone has taken a screenshot of the same. We can move on to the theme reveal. The official theme of GIS Hackathon 2021 is lockdown. This theme was chosen as even though it has an extremely relevant meaning in today's COVID-19 infested world, it is still abstract enough for experienced hackers to explore deeper and hidden meanings of the same. Do not take lockdown to specifically mean quarantine or what we're dealing with in today's COVID-19 festive world. You can take up any meaning or any interpretation of the word lockdown in your hack, and as long as you're able to justify it in your pitch, you guys would be getting the points for the same. Do note that regarding the judging of the hacks, the mentors will be sharing the rubric for your hack as soon as this opening ceremony ends. So you guys know which criteria you must be meeting. One of the criteria will almost specifically be adhering to the theme, so make sure you do that. Please take a screenshot of this or write it down somewhere so that you can refer to it again and again. After this, we'll be moving on to the speech by our president, Ayush Garg. Ajay, could we move on to the next slide? Ayush, you have the floor.
Thank you, Ayushman, for the wonderful presentation. Good afternoon, participants. Everybody has a creative potential, and from the moment when you can express this creative potential, you can start changing the world. This is the moment all techies in GIS highly anticipate. Dicey round of registrations, multiple iterations of finance sheets, and countless meetings later, I, Ayush Garg, on the behalf of the Tech Club, can wholeheartedly say that we have touched perfection. We have successfully gathered a community of more than 150 hackers from all ages, cultures, and backgrounds. And it is our promise to each one of those participants that their experience at JS Hackathon will be of priceless learning, innovative coding, and inspiring creativity. It is my honor as the president of Tech Club to present to you JS Hackathon 2021. This event would not have been possible without our talented mentors who took time to ensure that every coder is proficient in their tools of choice. Our core team, which worked day and night on every aspect of this occasion, and finally the GI department, who helped us at every stage of the planning. Let this be the kickstarter to the amazing technological journey we are all set to embark on. And like we always say, may the best hack win. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayush. I request there's no specific final guidelines as the mentors would be briefing you all on the Discord server itself. So if you guys don't have any issues right now, you can leave the Zoom call and join the Discord voice channels. Start working and collaborating with your teammates on your hacks, and the mentors would be there soon to brief you all on the rubric as well. Thank you for attending the opening ceremony. The participants can now leave.
Ayushman, can you address if there are any Q&A in the chat box?
1 second. There's some people asking for the names of the mentors. We'll be sending a screenshot of the same slide on the WhatsApp group, so you can refer to those there. What are royalty-free assets? Royalty-free assets are assets that can be used in personal projects that you download from the internet without any cost along with it. So any free online assets that are available for personal projects, you can download and use in your hack. However, I do recommend that you guys don't really rely on royalty-free assets and develop some of your own as well to put a personal touch to your hack. Are mini games compulsory? Not necessarily, but we do recommend attending them because it's a nice break from a series of like hours of rigorous hacking. So it would be a good break for you guys. Do we need to make a pitch presentation? Yes, the pitch presentation guidelines were covered in the pitch workshop also. And this recording of the same has been shared on the WhatsApp groups. The mentors will be sharing the same again closer to the submission time. What happens in the minigame? That is a surprise according to our president. You'll be getting to know when the minigame starts. Um, if can you use a script you know but use it in other projects as well? You must develop the script by scratch again. You cannot just copy paste the code from other projects. The topic for the hackathon is lockdown. Do we have a separate voice channel on Discord for each team? I believe so. If not, and you guys need separate voice channels, I recommend that you guys create a voice, either a Discord server or one of, or what do you call it, a Discord call of your own, because you don't necessarily need to be on the GIS Hackathon Discord server. The mentors would remain in the Discord voice channel whenever they're online, so you guys can join in anytime and ask for queries. Can we use any external editors to edit the final video if using Blender? Yes, you may go ahead and edit the pitch presentation video if I'm not wrong. Which meeting do we join now? You must join the Discord voice channel for your specific category. And if you're registered individually, you'll be an individual participant. The rules remain the same for you. Those are all the questions. The participants can now leave.
I believe all the questions have been addressed. Thank you so much, Ayushman. I request the organizing team to stay after all the participants have left. Participants, the mentors will be joining the voice channels at 6.
Aditya, you have your hand raised. You have a doubt? I can allow you to talk.
Oh no, I just kept it on accidentally.
Okay, sure. You can exit the Zoom call now. The participant briefing is over.